My name is Nyokavi Warobi. I'm the head of HR for Mkopa Solar. Mkopa is a renewable energy company. We sell solar kits to low-income individuals that live largely in rural areas and off the electric grid. Our model is where we sell on a pay-as-you-go basis. So individuals make a small deposit and then make a daily payment. And once they're done with making those payments, they then have the opportunity to buy additional products such as bicycles, water tanks. They may even take a cash loan or buy something like an Android phone. We engaged Spire because we were looking for an organization that could partner with us and help us develop courses that target entry-level staff. So we were looking for courses that would help staff be productive as soon as they walk in the door of one of our offices. Working with Spire has been a very great experience. The one thing I appreciate the most is that they have been very flexible in the way that they have allowed us to put our courses together. We've offered classes in Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania, and in each of those countries we've had a different format that we've offered to our staff. So that has been very useful because we have customized all of the courses specifically for the staff in those countries. So everything from offering courses in English as well as Swahili, as well as customizing the length of the courses along with different dates and times that we've offered them. I would definitely recommend Spire to other organizations. It has been a wonderful experience so far, and I think that any company out there.
And then the DSR sets out to go and meet his prospects or customers. So they have to travel anything between 30 and 50 kilometers to get access to the community that are working with kerosene. So the DSR is spending a lot of his time trying to really reach these people in their homes, telling them about the benefits of the product, demonstrating the product by turning on the light in a house that has never seen light. That is hugely powerful. Mkopa's mission is to upgrade lives, and that's not just customers' lives but also lives of all the people working with Mkopa.
Katika ile kijiji nimetoka na kuna nafasi nyingi za kazi, lakini ni za wale vijana wenyewe wanajiajiri. Shida ya kujiajiri ni kwamba wateja si wengi na uchumi uko chini.
What we provide to the sales agents is formal engagement, moving from informal sector to a formal sector. We also provide them better economic opportunities for them to uplift their lives economically through the Mkopa sales program. And the third and most importantly is giving them a pathway to a much better career. DSRs becoming sales executives becoming field sales managers, and then moving up the hierarchy to hopefully becoming the head of sales one day, all of them coming through the DSR network. So in 2016 we had 1,000 DSRs across the country, and we have steadily grown that base to over 2,000 DSRs right now in the program.
Prior to Mkopa, I was self-employed. After being interviewed, I was taken to trainings. I was taught about the products very well. And then after there, I was still taught about the skills on how to approach customers, on how to, through the sales pitch. Right now, I can say I have my own well. I've invested in lands, I've purchased lands, I've purchased motorbikes, and still I'm doing well. Mkopa has really upgraded my life.
We are also very happy to see a large number of women doing extremely well in our program. We're talking of about 50% of our sales force being women, and if you look at the top 100 performing DSRs, if you look at the females, they are actually having a higher productivity than the men. So in 2017, we made a big shift towards driving better use of technology across the sales force. So we financed over 1,000 smartphones, and we got everybody onto the app called Kaizala, which is a chat platform but also a way for us to get real-time information from the sales force.
Kuna sales app na Kaizala huwa zinanisaidia sana kwa kuwa ile sales app sasa ile nimeregister customer ni inarahisisha kazi yangu kwa sababu nikimaliza kuregister customer tunakaa kama dakika 2 ama 3 hivi kila customer anapata ujumbe.
With the use of data science, GIS information, smartphones, better apps, location data, there's a huge opportunity for us to improve the effectiveness of the sales force and empower the lives of the sales agents to reach rural communities. In the past 6 years, Mkopa has reached over 600,000 customers in East Africa, and these are people that previously relied entirely on kerosene that have now moved to a solar powered system. With all our efforts in the past few years, we have reached less than 10% of the population of off-grid households in East Africa. This provides a huge opportunity for us to grow our sales force, the business, and also reach many more people that previously would not have access to electricity. We are incredibly excited about the opportunities that lie ahead, and we are just getting started.